Good morning, ma'am. This is my reaction video about legal compliance in action case study. So, bali ang napili ko pong case study about po sa TikTok violates children privacy. So, bali ito po yung TikTok po ay nag-collect ng personal information from children under 13 years old. The problem is that TikTok not get proper permission from parents. So, bali wala pang consent po about sa 13 years old sa paggawa ng mga account. This was a big issue because app must protect young user and follow the strict rules. So, ano po yung na-violate nila? So, bali ito po yung na-violate nila. TikTok violated a law called COPPA, which is stand for Children Online Privacy Protection Act. This law protects kids' personal information online. It requires apps to get parental consent before collecting any data from children. But TikTok failed to do this. Noong 2023 pa po ito. So, bali, yung mga bata po is madali lang nakakagawa ng account kasi wala pang privacy, children privacy noong 2023. So, bali, madali lang po sila nakagawa ng account. Kaya nakaka-collect po sila ng mga personal data like name, age, location, and yung mga video po ng mga bata doon. So, bali ang TikTok is naka-receive po ng penalty about $5.7 million po. They order to delete data collected from kids. TikTok had to improve its privacy settings and make platform safer for young users. So, bali po nun, kahit yung adding ko po is buti na lang po naayos dahil kapag mag-upload yung mga bata po ng mga video or mga di po maganda sa mata ng TikTok po is binaban na po nila. Kaya mas maganda po yun para maprotektahan po yung mga personal information pa ng mga bata. For me, this case show important legal compliance is especially when it comes protecting minors online. Companies like TikTok should always prioritize safety and privacy. Even though TikTok is a huge platform, it still must follow the law. And yun lang po yung aking reaction video. Thank you po, ma'am.